The mountains and rivers are magnificent, and the canal is surging. On the land of the East, Hengwang Group takes ingenuity as the foundation and innovation as the wings, moving forward firmly amidst global trends. This fully demonstrates the international vision and sense of responsibility of national enterprise. In 2011, an ambition for mechanical manufacturing set sail in the hometown of Confucius and Mencius. From regional market trials to global network layout, from single product trial production to a full range of core product matrices, Hengwang has been tempered for 15 years. It has now developed into a set of design, research, and production, international trade, e-commerce, network services, logistics, and the transportation. An innovative technology enterprise. We cultivate first-class talents and develop first-class products. Hengwang Research Institute has 8 institutes, 1 department. It builds a full-chain R&D system covering product iteration and upgrading, and talent echelon construction. Led by experts with State Council special allowance, it gathers senior engineers at home and abroad, and young scientific researchers. It has won more than 10 international certifications and nearly 100 national and industry awards. The Intelligent Production Workshop, integrating cutting-edge technologies such as 5G, IoT, 6 assembly lines operate efficiently. Products include bulldozers, excavators, loaders, graders, drilling rig series, more than 40 product categories, including pile driver series, and over 100 products, precisely meet customer needs. It builds a global marketing system, domestic and international dual drive, innovative integration, cross-border e-commerce, social media, and global exhibitions. The model connects online and offline. Products are exported to more than 180 countries. We have branches and overseas warehouses in Russia, Indonesia to achieve localized operations, continuously expand the global business territory. Hengwang always adheres to the ESG concept of serving society and committed to environmental protection and corporate governance. It donates to public welfare and education, running on the front line of disaster relief, contributing to society with Hengwang strength. Looking to the future, Hengwang aims for high-end, intelligent, and low-carbon. We build brand with Heng Day and craftspersons to keep the original intention, continuously upgrading products and services for global customers to provide more competitive construction solutions. Choose Hengwang for engineering, prosperous career.